In this exercise, we're going to focus on mixing up the notes of an Open G pentatonic scale by playing a 3-note sequence. So if you've been trying to improvise over some backing tracks and you want to add some flashy moves, then go grab your guitar, see if you can keep up. We learned about sequences in level 2, and we mastered a 3-note and a 4-note sequence over a little pentatonic scale, but now we're going to try it with a bigger shape, the Open G Pentatonic. Here's what it sounds like. This is going to be the same type of pattern that we used in the level 2 exercise, but just to review, we're going to play the first 3 notes of the scale, then the second 3 notes of the scale, then the third 3 notes of the scale, and we're just going to keep that going. Kind of feels like you'd go up 3 notes, and then back 1, up 3 notes, and back 1, up 3 notes, and back 1. And then we're just going to continue that all the way until we get to the very last note, and then we're just going to end on the open E string so it sounds done. In this exercise, we're going to start at 50 beats per minute, so you can really think through this pattern, but we're going to try and work our way up to 150, so it sounds nice and flashy. And after that, we'll do it backwards. Sounds like this. In this round, we're going to start at the very last note, go down 3 notes, and back 1. Go down 3 notes, and back 1. Go down 3 notes, and back 1. And then we'll continue that until we get all the way to the very end. And then we're going to end on this note, because this is the note G, and this is an Open G pentatonic, so that will also sound done. Again, we'll start that at 50 beats per minute and work our way up to 150 beats per minute. One thing I should mention is that with this scale and this sequence, there's another kind of finger pattern that comes out. First, you start out by playing an open string, then a note using your finger, and then a note that's on an open string. Next, you're going to do a note that's on a finger, then a note that's an open string, then a note that's a finger. And it's going to alternate between those two things. Open, finger, open, open, finger. Open, finger, open, finger, open, finger. Open, finger, open, finger, open, finger. Open, finger, open, finger, open, finger. And if you can lock into that pattern, then the whole thing is just going to feel more repetitive and it's going to come together faster. All right, well, let's get started with round 1. But before we do, it'd probably be a good idea to pause the video and try things out a few times at your own speed just to kind of get used to it. And it'd also be a great time to maybe click some buttons so the YouTube algorithm knows to send these videos to more beginner guitar players like yourself. And I'd love you forever, if that helps. All right, here we go. All right, we're starting at 50 beats per minute, going forwards through the scale. Ready? Go. Your 60 beats per minute. Ready? Go. Your 70 beats per minute. Ready? Go. Here's 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. Here's 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. All right, we're halfway there. Here's 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. Here's 110. Ready, go. Here's 120. Ready, go. Here's 130. Ready, go. Here's 140. Ready, go. All right, last one. Here's 150. Ready, go. All right, now let's go back down to 50 beats per minute and go backwards. Here we go. Ready, go. Here's 60 beats per minute. Ready, go. Seventy beats per minute. Ready, go. Eighty beats per minute. Ready, go. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. We're halfway there again. Here's 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. Here's 110. Ready, go. Here's 120. Ready, go. $130. Ready, go. All right, just a couple more. Here's 140. Ready, go. And here we are, 150. Last one. Ready, go. Well, if you got here, then nice work. If you didn't get here, then, still, nice work. Well, now that you got that feeling cozy, you should see what it sounds like over some backing tracks. I got a whole playlist right here. There's a bunch of different genres that will work with this scale, so you can see what it sounds like in a few different settings. Let me know which one you think sounds coolest. All right, well, that's going to be it for this video. Buttons. And if you're cool, you'll click them, because that'd be pretty cool. All right, see you next time. Bye.